A lot of students message me saying, I want to apply abroad, but I don't have any research experience. And honestly, that fear stops thousands of talented students before they even begin. They look at students with publications, conference papers, lab experience, and research projects and immediately think, I'm already behind. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Almost every strong researcher started from zero. Nobody is born with research experience. The biggest mistake students make is waiting for the perfect opportunity. They think research experience only means working in a big laboratory, publishing papers in famous journals, or doing something extremely advanced. That's not true. Research actually starts with curiosity. It starts when you begin asking deeper questions instead of only memorizing answers for exams. If you currently have no research experience, your first goal should not be publishing a paper tomorrow. Your first goal should be entering the research environment. Start small. Read research articles related to your field. Watch conference presentations online. Follow professors whose work interests you. Learn how research papers are structured. Most students never do this, and that alone already puts you ahead. Then comes the most important step. Reach out. Many students are scared to email professors because they think I have nothing to offer. But professors do not always expect you to be an expert. Sometimes they simply look for students who are genuinely interested, willing to learn, and consistent. A simple professional email saying you want to learn and assist in research can create opportunities you never imagined. And listen carefully. Your undergraduate or master's thesis can also become research experience if you treat it seriously. Even small projects matter if you learn data analysis, scientific writing, presentations, or literature review skills from them. Research is not only about publishing papers, it's about learning how to solve problems systematically. Another thing many students ignore is skill building. If you are in engineering, maybe learn programming, simulation, or data analysis. If you are in agriculture or soil science, learn statistics, GIS, laboratory techniques, or scientific writing. If you are in business or social sciences, improve data visualization, surveys, or communication skills. These technical skills often become the bridge that helps you enter research groups. But here's something even more important than technical skills: consistency. Many students get motivated for 3 days and disappear. Research rewards people who keep learning even when results are slow. One article per week, one email per week, one new skill every month. Small progress over time creates a strong profile. And please stop comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. Some students already had opportunities, mentors, or resources that you may not have had. Your journey is different. What matters is whether you start building today. Because the truth is, professors and universities do not only look for students with experience, they look for students with potential. And potential grows when curiosity, effort, communication, and consistency come together. So if you have no research experience right now, don't panic. Don't quit before starting. Start learning, start connecting, start building skills, and start showing genuine interest. One day, the profile you are worried about today may become the profile another student looks up to in the future.